Hi everyone and welcome. I'm now on cooking farm, Oak Lake, 48 hours session. I'm on pack 29. It's now 2 o'clock. Rods are out for some hour because it was all frost. Today is 10th of January. Now it's 3 degrees. At the night it was -4. So all this was frost. Now finally it's no ice at all, so can start fishing now. Like you see, got 3 rods out. On the left one I was put one wafter from Steamies. On second one was put from Parker Baits Magic Bean wafter, and the third one was from K-Bites Maxinut, which one is on right side. So right hand rod I got down here, which one is the key baits Maxinut. Middle rod I got down here, which one is Parker Baits Magic Bean wafter. And then from Steamies I got CNC down here. It's my first session of this year. Hopefully we'll get some bite. This lake is very busy. It's just one free peg, which one is 27. Rest of them is booked and full. So hopefully in corner, because of the lane pressure, some fish will gonna come in and I'll take a bite.
Good morning everyone. Like you see, it was very chilly night. It's -4. Again, more than half of my fishing spots are frozen. During yesterday, no any signs of fish, no bleeps. Very quiet. Hopefully today sun will gonna warm up and it will be some activity. Hopefully. Rods probably will gonna leave till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock ish. Then hopefully it will be no ice till that moment.
Hi guys, it's a little daily update. Finally ice is gone. I was changed where I was put my bites. So TNC I was put down there. Then Key Baits Maxinut was put down there. And Parker Baits Magic Bean was put down here. Finally we saw first fish bush out. It was down here. So fish eye just need weights and hope it's all gonna take my bite. It's pretty warm day. Now it's 3 degrees. At the night expecting 0, but not low. So big chance to get bite. Good morning everyone. Another quiet night. It was just 2 blips on the right hand rod and that's it. This morning is much warmer, no ice, but unfortunately it looks like will be no fish as well. 2 hours left, still got the chance, we'll see. Hi everyone, unfortunately, like you see, everything is packed off and no fish. It was a couple of shows now in the last 2 hours. There's 2 bushes there, one over there and one on the corner, but no bites. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.